Looks so great. I'm very impressed.
And the final reveal is stunning.
This is crazy.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this.
When Allison met Casey and Mackenzie, their backyard was a blank slate.
It's an empty space that doesn't get used for anything.
All of that's about to change, with the new countertops going in, along with the new gas grilling table. Now the crew is facing the kitchen area with stone, and the pergola's getting some lights.
Okay, so it is time for the herb garden. What we're gonna do, so you know we cut down all the rebar. These are gonna be the kind of center posts, and this is already kind of formed for us. And we're gonna drill right now all of the holes for the rebar to go through, every 12 inches. Then we're gonna string them through, and then the pots sit in the rebar.
Mackenzie makes short work with the drill. And now the dividers are ready to install. Next, they skewer the planks with the rebar, and the herb garden starts to take shape. They add braces between the planks and secure them from the top. Finally, the herbs go in.
The basil smells delicious. Go up. Yep. With the cilantro.
Yeah. Look at your new herb wall.
This looks so great.
Better than your one little tiny planter?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
I'm very impressed. Yeah.
Good.
With Mackenzie and Casey out of the way, everyone kicks into high gear. Allison and Mike install the hardware for the swing. Then Allison adds a touch of color and a few more accents.
Just beautiful. And this kitchen is crashed. Mackenzie, Casey, come see our kitchen.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh. This looks awesome.
It's amazing. I can't believe it's ours. Before it was empty, it was just a grass plot. Now it's a usable space. It's a place for entertaining and cooking and relaxing, and it's like a dream come true.
Yeah, and you're on your new floor, which honestly, I love the direction of it.
Yes. Before, our yard was like nothing, empty grass, and now we look out and it's this beautiful outdoor space with string lights and a swing. The herb wall is fabulous. I love how it turned out.
Before, with the stairs coming right here, you have a whole nother room.
2 other rooms. It's the kitchen and
Like a dining
this.
space.
Yeah. Now we've got this pergola, right? Could have been just simple and plain. We just added a little bit of color and texture, and all of a sudden,
It's like an outdoor oasis.
yes.
Everyone did such a great job.
Yeah.
Well, the only reason we got it done is because we had such an amazing team. Mike, Pete, Artie, you got it done, and it looks amazing. And now you guys have just created and changed their lives because of all the hard work that you put into it. So thank you so much. We're jealous of your space. We love being able to do this. Enjoy it. We are going to get out of here. This is all yours.
Thank you. It's so great. Thank you so much.
Enjoy. Take a look around.
Thank you.
Bye, guys. Come on, boys.
It's like a dream come true.
We're gonna have all of our friends, family here. We're gonna have so many dinner parties. It's gonna be awesome.